Hello everyone, I wanted to end this Monday with the 3763 BP Montana fifth wheel. It's been a while since we've done this particular model. Really awesome floor plan, and it has enough storage to last you a lifetime. I'm just going to go over some of the specs first before giving you that tour of the inside. So our weight comes out to be 14,202 pounds. So this thing is huge. Our length is 41 feet even from tip to tip, and our hitch weight comes out to be 2,980 pounds. So this thing is just ginormous. So starting with the outside first, you have your fiberglass front cap, and as you can see, you do have a window too, and I'll show you where that leads on the inside for some awesome views. You do have your road armored pin box, and this does have the industry's best 3-year limited structure warranty with Keystone. Plus, you have your patented hitch vision, so you're able to see your tow vehicle back up from your rear view mirror. Pretty awesome. Storage plus a place for your battery is all the way at the front, so you can put some extra storage there if you want. And then coming along the side, our camping side, you are prepped for side marker cameras, and you have 2 propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. Let's see if I can open it up. There is a spider. I'm trying not to get it. Right next to that is some pass-through storage. It has a built-in feature which is called the road vacuum system. So that's pretty much a built-in vacuum. It comes with about a 30-foot nozzle. So if something happens to spill in here while you are taking it on a long camping trip, you can sweep it up very nicely, and you can actually pull your tow vehicle up and be able to sweep that out too. 110 outlet, so you can plug anything in that you want. And then as you can see, you have 2 slide outs on your camping side. And then here is your entrance, friction hinge door, so you don't have to worry about it slamming into your camper, scaring you, especially if it gets pretty windy. Screen defender, so you can have a nice breeze with a screen door and your pet can still look outside. This is a 4-season living camper as well. Big helper handle for some stability getting in. And of course you have your solid steps that fold into your camper nicely. Very sturdy, so it just prevents a lot of the rocking going in and out of your camper. And then I'm gonna try to back up so you can see. You actually have an awning. I don't know if it's 2 or not. I'll have to check the other side, but it stretches pretty much all the way across, so you have that extra shade if you need it. Frameless windows, which are very sharp. Oh, there it is. You have 2 awnings, pretty much one giant awning if you really think about it. Bluetooth outside speakers, so you can hook your phone up and jam out. And then this is just the start of how much storage this camper has. Huge basement storage. You have access from 2 doors on your camping side and 2 on your non-camping side, as well as all the way to the back as well. So just a lot of extra space for any extra camping gear. You probably could fit kayaks in here if you wanted to, definitely bikes. And these are slam latch doors, which are very nice, magnetic latching. And then if you can see, you have a fully walkable roof because of that ladder. Keep up on your slight maintenance and your roof maintenance. You're also prepped for a backup camera as well. Coming over to our non-camping side, you have 3 more slide outs. So this has a total of 5 slide outs. On the other side of our pass-through storage, I want to show you all of your hookups and stuff. So starting from the top is your exterior shower, hot and cold water. It also does come with a nozzle. And then you have your winterizing system, heater bypass, city water connection, battery disconnect. And then this is also where you can put all of your tubes and stuff to be able to close this big door. And of course you have your Key TV multi-source signal controller. Plus, before we head inside, this does have auto leveling, and it is 6-point hydraulic auto leveling. Very nice. So now let's give you a tour of the inside. All right, so starting with the very front, we have our amazing living room space. I love that there's steps coming up in here, so it's kind of separate, but you're still a part of everything that's going on. And then of course you have this curtain that does go all the way across for whoever is sleeping up here can sleep in, or you can really make it feel like a movie theater. Of course, you got your theater reclining seats right next to your steps. And these do have heating massage elements, really cool lights, and USB ports. Of course, you got your built-in cup holders, plus your remote control storage. On either side is your sleeper sofa. So this will fold out into a sleeping space. Honestly, 2 people per sofa would be very comfortable. So you definitely can sleep up to 6 people in this camper very comfortably. And then you have perfect view of your entertainment center. Huge electric fireplace down at the bottom. And this does emit heat, or you can just turn it on and have the really cool lights going. Storage on either side. Through that tinted glass is where you can access those outside and inside speakers. And then this TV is actually pretty cool. So once your camper's all nice and plugged in, you actually can move the TV up and down. So if no one's watching TV, you can have a view of wherever your camper is parked at from that huge window. And then when you're wanting to watch TV, you just roll that up and then you're good to go. Storage also on either side of that. DVDs, board games, soft close as well. And I also love the textured glass on these two. And before I forget, this does have the quiet cool system. So with your ACs running, you don't have to hear that loud sound, but everyone can still feel nice and cool. Across from your entrance, you have your command center. So this is where you can access your slide outs, your awnings, interior lights, all of that fun stuff. Again, soft close. And now into our gorgeous kitchen. Directly to my left is your freestanding dinette. It's actually kind of connected, but I still consider it freestanding. This leaf does extend out for some extra space, and there are 2 more chairs hidden underneath the bed for right now, but you have a spot for 2 more chairs. I like this mantle area thing. I don't know what you would put there, some picture frames, decorations, things like that, but you have this built-in outlets and USB ports, so you can charge your electronics, especially if you are using this for full-time living. You can have your laptop sitting right there for kind of a home office space and be able to charge it. Windows are across, and you have these kind of block out sun shades and then total block out, so 2 sets of curtains, and they are roll up. Across from there into our gorgeous kitchen, next to our steps is this coffee bar space. So you can kind of call it a coffee bar, breakfast spot. I don't know what you want to call it, but great place to have any type of small appliance, blenders, coffee makers, air fryers, things like that. Even a TV can fit right here. So you can watch TV while you are cooking, catch up on some new recipes. Storage is down below. Stainless steel residential size refrigerator. This thing is huge. And then I'll show you your freezer. Pretty awesome. Storage is up above. And then moving along, we have our residential size microwave. More storage. And then the same matching cabinet glass that was up by your entertainment center. 3 burner top stove with this glass range cover. Then there's your oven. Probably could fit a turkey in there, to be honest. Really cool. More countertop space over here. Again, that pop-up outlet for small appliances. 4 drawers down below. And then you also have solid surface countertops in your kitchen, which is awesome. Love the gorgeous white counters too. 70-30 split stainless steel sink, and then you have this spray nozzle. And then you have even more storage below. To the left is actually a built-in trash can, so pretty neat that they have that included. And then this is the star of this entire camper. You have a Butler pantry just off of your kitchen. So to my left, you have ceiling to floor cabinets. And then to the right is just some additional countertop space. You can hide some stuff in here, cleaning supplies, things like that. And you even have a window in here. Barn style sliding doors to block that off, and it is magnetic latch as well. There's also another camper, the 3761, that has a half bath instead of this Butler's pantry. So you can kind of choose which one you want. Both the exact same floor plan, except for if you want the half bath, you can get that one. If you want the Butler's pantry, you can get this one. Coming up into our master bedroom area, you have your king size bed that does lift up. Again, those chairs are stowed away underneath there, but just a great spot to put any extra camping gear. Nightstand shelves on both sides. You have outlets plus USB ports too. And then this massive wardrobe. It's also a spot where you are prepped for your washer and dryer unit. Built-in shelves and clothes racks. So ladies, this can be your closet. And then right across is the perfect storage for your husbands. 6 drawers, a lot of countertop space, and you already have a TV in here, which is pretty cool. more storage that runs along the side of it. And then your barn style sliding door leading into the main portion of the bathroom. So the full bath, porcelain foot flush toilet to the left, and even more storage. This thing is loaded with storage. And then you have your 2 medicine cabinets. Just down below, double vanity so people can get ready at the same time. Even more space just below. Built-in outlet too. And then to my right is your nice sit-down shower. Great for relaxing. And this camper is not plugged in, so it just goes to show you how nice and bright it is in here from that skylight. So this is it for this Montana. If you have any questions or concerns, guys, please let us know. Again, if you do not like that you have this Butler's pantry right here and have your kids going through your bedroom to go to the bathroom, they do have this in the exact same floor plan, except for this has the half bath right here. So just let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks.